about Amy. Alam nyo, hindi ba, ang dami-daming nagsasabi na si Amy is not Ferdinand's daughter. That she is Lacson's daughter because she looks like Lacson and you were
Ano naman ang Lacson?
No, I just want you to lay it to rest because you were married in May 1, 1954 and she was born in November 1955. So you were already married. What? I mean, ano kaya ang dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon sinasabi, naku si Amy, anak ni Arsenio Lacson.
Bakit
Paano
naman?
nangyari yun? You never heard that? You never heard that,
I
there was talk?
I only saw Mr. Lacson twice in my life.
Aha.
Once when there was a Miss Manila contest,
Nanalo kayo? Hindi ba? Second one.
Kumuha si Lacson ng sila Amorsolo para beauty contest talaga. Lahat ng mga kandidato pinapili. Ako nanalo. Pero si Arsenio, yung in charge ng international beauty contest, meron siyang money contest. Meron lumabas doon. Tapos ang sabi ni Lacson, kung anong desisyon ng mga artist, yun ang kunin si Imelda. Sabi niya ganyan. Sabi ko, kasi at lalo na, mas maganda naman ito kaysa doon sa nanalo sa pera. Yun lang. That's the only
And that's
time.
the only time you met him.
The only
And yet,
twice.
Wow, I've heard that so many times. And I said, ano ba? This girl was born in November 1955. You were married in May. Talaga.
54.
Oh, 54. I know. Oo.
And then, at saka,
You were not fooling around.
And I never fooled around.
Yeah.
Malinis ako. Hindi ako.
You were not.
No.